There, so this is going to be smashing a washing machine again. Housemaid that time. Going to be flying home, I guess. Let's with the we're going to smash this £10 housemaid washing machine. See if Robin gets back or tears my heart. Okay, get started. This is a bit noisy.
I'll let you go for a run.
Oh, that was a... Whoa! Yeah. Oh, that's good. Let's get out now, I guess. Whoa, those. Whoa. That was a good one. Haha. Whoa. That was crazy. You guys didn't hear the Whoa. Wow, that was a good. Okay, let's see if let's go see. Hope you can throw some. See. Jesus! Wow. It doesn't work. So the walls feel like, oh. $60. Ooh, got a pound of stone. Stone number 1 going in. Stone number 2 going in. Whoa, miss. Hit them off things. Here we go. Whoa. Here we go. Number 3. Number 4, 5. So 5 and 6 in the same time. Here we go. Wow, that was a good one. Let's throw in the big stone. Whatever that is. Wherever that is. Where it is. Oh. Let's see, plug it in. 3, 2, 1. Cheese. Uh-huh. Okay, here's the machine. Wow. He doesn't want to trying to manage. She's trying to manage this machine to go off running. This machine keeps running, I guess so. Let's see. I throw this in again. And see if okay. 2, 1. Whoa! That scared me, right? She scared me. That's it now. Right, guys, check. It's only the top just went off. Okay, guys, ready for it? Right, let's have a look. That scared me, right? That's scary. That was a very scary item. That was very scary. It shocked me. Scared me even. Oh my gosh! Leave outside. Right, guys, if you have one of them washers, I recommend not destroying it. Just a moment. Well, I guess here's the top panel. Here's the top panel, which came off a bit of damage, but not nothing reason. Okay, well, let's see if that is maybe. Well, that scared me, right? Well, this is what recommended. Going to the garage, then this is the washing machine which I destroyed. Well, this is what it looks like now. After destroying it, it was very difficult. But you got there, splashed the top off, then jumped. Well, let's see. This drum is very prominent. And next bit, please don't let the top panel go. Well, the top panel is very popular, very posh, that panel. Where are we from? Some machines like this, so I guess that might be one of these. I guess that might be today's video. See you later and see you later. Bye bye.